Your car's dash is basically a group chat of sensors trying to help. Let me decode it fast. If a light's red, that's stop now. Yellow or amber means check soon. Green or blue is just info. Big one first. Check engine. Solid amber, you can usually drive, but scan it soon. Flashing. Misfire. Pull over, you could roast the catalytic converter. Grab a cheap Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Plug it under the dash, usually near your left knee. Pair an app. Read the code. P006X codes are generic. P1666X are manufacturer-specific. Pending means it happened once. Stored means it kept happening. Screenshot freeze-frame data, RPM, temp, fuel trim, before you clear anything. Tire pressure, TPMS. If it's on, check all 4 tires, and the spare. Big temp swings can trigger it. Set pressures cold. Drive a few minutes to let the system update. Oil light. Red oil can means stop, pressure issue. Yellow service is just an oil life reminder. Smart cars calculate oil life by drive style and temps. Reset only after you change the oil. Battery light. If it pops on while driving, you're running on the battery. Turn off non-essentials. Head to a shop. Alternator could be the culprit. Belt could be the culprit. Coolant temp if it creeps to hot, heat on max. Fan high. Pull over. Let it cool. Never open a hot radiator. ABS or brake. You still have brakes, but anti-lock may be off. If it pairs with a red brake light, stop and check fluid. Or call for help. ADAS alerts. Lane, radar, auto brake. Act up when sensors are dirty or blocked. Clean the windshield logo area. Clean the grille radar. Clean the bumper cameras. After a windshield replacement, some systems need calibration. Updates. Many cars push over-the-air fixes. Park, connect Wi-Fi and run them. Performance and bug fixes just like your phone. Privacy. Open your car's app, find data sharing and choose what you're cool with. While you're there, check recalls via your VIN. Final tip, don't just clear codes. Fix the cause, drive a full cycle, then confirm the code stays gone. That's how you keep the dash quiet and your ride happy.